Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain studying about the Max Planck's quantum theory, which helped us to collect information about energy of wave. So join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In 1900, Max Planck gave his famous quantum theory, which helped us to find the energy of electromagnetic radiation. But before we dive into that, we should know about the quantisation of energy, which was introduced by Max Planck. Quantisation of energy. Quantisation is the concept that a physical quantity can have only certain discrete values. For example, person A have only 100 rupees notes, and it needs to give 750 rupees to the other person B, but it is not possible since the currency here only exists in 100 and it can only be changed by its product with integral numbers. Now, wave theory and particle theory. Firstly, we thought that electromagnetic radiation is in the form of waves, but after particle theory, we get to know that there are small discontinuous particles of energy which is going in a direction. These particles make the energy of the wave. This particle value was given by Max Planck with an equation. He also mentioned that now every wave's energy will be an integral multiple of its particle value. Theory postulates electromagnetic radiations are made up of small and discrete energy packets. In case of light, these energy packets are called photons. The energy stored in a photon is known as quantum of energy. The energy stored in a photon is directly proportional to the frequency of electromagnetic radiation. The formula. From the last postulate, we can say that energy of photon is directly proportional to the frequency of the wave. To eliminate the proportionality sign, we will add Planck's constant. If we have in photons of a same ER, the total energy will be, then energy of photon will be equal to n, number of photon into Planck's constant, into the frequency of the wave. This was the quantum theory. Now we will do zero-me numericals in the next lecture. Thank you. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.